What's up, Prank Masters? Today we are doing the spray bottle prank. And we are going to do the sneeze prank. So, you are going to cover the bottle, achoo, when somebody's right there. So, I'm not. It's going to be a simple achoo. So, let's get to it. I'll be holding the camera. You want to be in this one, right? Come on, it's your turn, right?
Oh, you say you're not going to. What is that?
Guess some water.
Oh, they can't?
Alright, so we just did the sneeze bottle prank, which, dang, Mari, you're doing it wrong. What you doing? Mari,